Dash, you're gonna clean this up, right? Before I transfer?
The first one can be This might be a bit darker. Do you want a bit? How?
I just need to clear my head.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. Day off po namin dalawa ni Ngongo and we're going somewhere. Oh my God, sakit ng ngipin ko guys. Kumain ako nung yung chicken na matigas. May naiwan ata na doon, yung chicken meat ba. Ayan ramdam ko eh. Nag-toothbrush na ako lahat-lahat, hindi pa rin siya matanggal. Momo is there. Wala pang ligo.
Naligo ka na.
At least naligo ako kagabi. Ikaw?
Naligo rin ako gabi ko eh. For your information.
At least nagpabango ako ngayon. Ikaw? Oh. Wala eh. Kala mo
Limang araw ko na din naliligo.
Anong mga araw ko dyan? Parang naligo ako kagabi
Gabi yun.
O, paano naging 5 araw yung kagabi? Ano ka? Nag-time machine? Guys, nandito kami sa bahay ni Ate Juba. And magkakaroon kami po ng KFC takeaway. And we ordered 65 quid. My God. We've got plenty.
Hindi talaga, wala pang lockdown, Kimi, at kapag tayo, nakapag...
This is the last day! Before the lockdown, no?
Lockdown tomorrow! Talaga!
After this, I think
Wala kayo dyan.
yeah, after the lockdown, we need to stay in the house, you know. No, actually, guys, I don't know if this is strict at the moment. What do you think?
Of course it is, Kimi! You got the 10,000 pound fine!
Really?
Lockdown, guys,
I thought it's only
lockdown!
1,000 pounds.
1 million.
Doran, hi! Say hi!
Hi! I'm not looking forward to lockdown tomorrow.
We don't like it.
So we just have to take the opportunity.
Yes, we watched the Over the Moon already. It's good. Yeah. Guys, andito na yung KFC namin. Kanya-kanya na ng picture. Unboxing tayo. Andito lahat ng mga in-order namin. My God, look at that. Diba? Sobrang dami. Ang dami din Carling, Corona, saka yung Stella. Mga
Manino?
popcorn.
Basta popcorn. Kahit puno ni fries. Unboxing.
Look at that. Unboxing. Oh, gravy. My God. Grabe, ang damo.
Grabe kayo makagutom ko eh. Grabe gutom. Todo talaga trabaho ng mga delivery ngayon, no? Kasi lockdown kayo bukas.
Andun yung...
Banat yung mga workers ngayon kasi lockdown bukas.
I told Marcy to be pretty. Perfectly splendid.
You must be Laura. I hope I didn't startle you.
Not at all. You're expected. Just so pleased you're here.
Oh, one video! Oh, drop the chicken on the floor!
Oh, yes.
Thank you. 5 seconds. Yeah, we're alright, we're good.
Dash, you're gonna clean this up, right? Before I transfer?
The first one can be That's exactly as Lord Windward described.
Oh, what are we doing same time? I don't know. We're at a strange camera angle.
And it yawned open to welcome her home.
This is a friend.
Kim is already making a mess.
Perfectly
It's in my room.
In your room. I've got a good Hoover. We can sort it out.
And it's perfectly splendid. And this is He's the cook. He's splendid.
Guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Sis Lolo kasi gaya na sabi ko, ng isang araw ako po ay magpapagawa ng kilay, eyelashes, saka yung upper lip ko. Is it waxing, sis? Yeah, it's a waxing, guys. So I'm gonna do it. This is Sis Lolo. Do you wanna say hi? Sorry. She's got the face mask, guys. Me as well, and the little one. Look at him. He's so cute. So, tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, do you want the upper lip first? Or which one? Yeah?
Yeah, and then with the...
Okay, this is her place. Guys, see? It's nice.
Mama, please grab that lolly.
Yes, sure.
Where is it? Where is the
In the
lolly?
kitchen, in a big pan.
Big flat one.
It's
I
cute.
wonder which one.
Would you like another one?
No.
Why not?
Not at the moment. Well, I don't know. I did at first, but now I'm just like, oh, one is enough for me.
One is enough.
Yeah.
I like the lights.
Oh, thank you.
I need some help.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Guys, na-wax na nilo yung aking kilay and then mag-start na po siya na tawag nito? Mag-color ng aking eyebrow. Ayan. Eyebrow tint something. Wala lang kasi napapagod na ako, guys, na palagi maglagay ng aking eyebrow ba. Tapos minsan hindi siya pantay. It's okay.
This might be a bit darker. Do you want a bit... How do you want your brows to look, actually?
I want my brows like darker here and a lighter here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one that takes longer? Is it the eyelashes, isn't it?
Yeah.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the sky.
Okay, look up for me. See it?
Does everywhere celebrate boxing?
Only you can make me move.
Guys, nasa bahay na po ako. At kakatapos lang po ng aking eyelashes. Look at that. It's really nice. And then yung aking eyebrow. So, ang problema natin ngayon guys, paano tayo maliligo nang hindi binabasa yung ating eyelashes. Kasi according to Sis Lolo, I can't wet my eyelashes for 24 hours. So, paano ko yung gagawin? Kasi meron po akong makeup. My goodness. Dapat binura ko muna yung aking makeup guys bago ko nagpunta. But anyway, we can find a way guys. Kasi video tayo, di ba? Oh, charing. My God, my God, my God, my God. Tuwang-tuwa talaga ako, guys. Ayan. In love na in love ako sa aking eyelashes. Kasi tama lang siya, guys. And then, hindi siya mabigat. Tapos, nakakapikit pa ako. And then, hindi siya sumasaya doon sa eyeglasses ko. Kasi yung, last time na nagpalagay ako ng eyelashes doon sa Indiano ba yun? Sa may waterside yun dyan sa city center. So, that was 2017 guys. That was 3 years ago. So, naglagay siya ng eyelashes. And then, yung eyelashes na nilagay niya sa akin guys ay mas malaki pa sa mata ko. So, hanggang ganyan siya. I think it's a Russian style. Pero, ginawa niyang fall. So, talagang mabigat yung mata ko. And then, ramdam ko talaga na tumutusok yung aking eyelashes sa aking guys, baba ng aking mata. So, nung time na yon, ang ginawa ko, pinagtatanggal ko siya isa-isa, tapos hanggang sa natanggal din yung yung original na eyelashes ko. Kaya nung time na yon, kalahati ng aking mata walang eyelashes nang dahil doon.
Pinakasak mo yan.
Hindi
Ano to?
Sobo.
Aba.
Isaw-saw mo naman eh.
Arte naman itong batang to. Mainit.
Daddy!
Mungubak mo sa akin. Aray. Kumuha ka na kasi doon. Okay, magre-reklamo ka.
Gusto ko nang hindi taba. Masarap kasi daddy pag sinusubuan mo ko.
O sinusubo mo sa akin?
Ano mo yan? Sinusubo mo sa akin, baka isipin nila no?
Yung ulam tanga.
Ako na ako. Yan ko.
Yung batang to eh.
Nanay!
Gusto mo nanonood ako ng TV. Send mo nga sa akin yung pero natin kanina kay ate. Gusto mo? Yung pero natin.
Ang kwarto natin nandyan lang.
So
bakit kailangan ko magmadali?
Kasi gusto ko ngayon na eh.
Alright.